Holidays are coming, and what do you need for holidays? Good monitor for gaming. All kinds of stuff. Philips. Let's unbox it. Good. Wow. Reflections. Okay. Matte finish. Ports. What do we have? HDMI and display port, and then for the headphone jack, of course. Power and vessel mount. I think it looks stunning. We're gonna go back to the picture quality on the back. We do have a cover, so it will look even better. Cover for the vessel mount. Yeah, if you don't use it. In the box, you will find HDMI cable, display port, and some manuals. 60 in 4K. And with a display port, all I'm getting is 2K resolution and 180. No ghosting, super smooth. Very little. Launching the game. Okay, menu, I cannot go any closer because lens will shift and you know what I mean. Standard image, FPS, which is very bright, racing, LTS, movie, low blue mode, easy read, economy, smart gaming. There you go. All right. Game mode. We have a crosshair, shadow boost, low input lag, smart response. Input, send it auto. Audio to 100, 179. Language, what kind of languages do we have? Well, many of them. There you go. System settings. Smart size, pixel orbiting, and setup. And close. That's all it is. I have to use a mouse. With an Xbox pad, that's like, no. It's too slow. Or maybe not. Oh, I got someone, I guess. Oh, shit. No, why do you give me a sniper rifle? I don't want it. Oh, no. Whew. I suck in this game. Hard. God. Finally someone. Oh, finally I got someone. I was. Wow. Looks good. What should I do here? I'm going. Let the force be with you. Wow. Looks super nice. Boss. Whoa! Get. Whoa! He got me. Okay. No. False. Immersive, gorgeous colors, fantastic screen for the gamers. 180 Hz. There'll be specs all around here, so you can read them. Well, link in the description. And I'm going back for some gaming. See you next video. Bye.